Hello guys, welcome to Tarot Universe 777. This reading may not resonate with all. Please take whatever comes. Do not force onto the reading. Also, this reading is for all genders. So let's start the reading. This reading is for the person in your mind, the evening thoughts of your person. Okay, so let's start. Please, universe, guide me. So we have the world, Fool, okay, Knight of Pentacles, and we have here the Hermit. Okay, so let's arrange the cards here. So we have the World, the Fool, the Knight of Pentacles, and the Hermit. Okay, the World signifies you are the happiness for this person. Also, this person feels very light when he is with you. With the Fool, as the person is feeling lighter and happy to be around you, he also loves his freedom. He loves his freedom and he is very slow moving. With the Knight of Pentacles, also, as you can see, the horse has paws. We have the Hermit that is on pause. So we have cards that are talking to each other. You can see the World and the Fool. They're talking to each other by explaining about the freedom. And we have the Knight of Pentacles and Hermit that's talking about pause. Okay, let's take out more cards for this person. So we have here, okay, Four of Pentacles. Okay, Four of Pentacles, and we have Temperance here. Okay. Okay. Also, I don't edit my videos. I just post as the card comes. Okay. I just, okay, here. Let me take out one more card. Okay. We have the Emperor here. Okay. Now, bottom of the deck, we have High Priestess. Okay. So I'll keep the bottom of the deck here. Okay. Okay. Yeah, good. So the World talks about, as I said, freedom. Also, the Fool talks about freedom and happiness in the own joy. These two cards talks about the pause, coming energy, but at the same time pause. This is what is very like with these cards. I can see the person loves his freedom. He doesn't want to give his freedom to anybody else. Especially, he doesn't want to, just because he loves a thing or a person, he is not ready to give his freedom away. Temperance. He's patiently, he wants to see what is happening and what is not happening. He will see all the circumstances, the outcome, the way in and out, all the doors, and then he will take an action. As an emperor, he puts himself as a person. He shows he's like, he thinks himself as an emperor. He thinks whatever he says is right, whatever he does is right. He has full confidence in him, in himself. He thinks as a he is a matured person. Yes, he is a matured person. Also, he also thinks that he takes judgment according to his intuition. By the bottom of the deck, he is a matured soul. He is little childish in energy, but also he's a matured person who takes decision according to the situations and acts accordingly. Also, now let's go and see more about this person. So in World, we have Ace of Cups here. So Ace of Cups says, yeah, The person is not gonna give his freedom up for anybody. Four of Swords. Yeah, I don't think so, guys. This person is gonna give his energy. Okay. Bottom of the deck for Fool and Four of Swords. We have the Lovers. Yeah, he loves you. He sees you from afar. He notices you. He loves you. But at the same time, just because he loves you doesn't mean he will give up his freedom for you. I may sound harsh, but that's the truth. Two of Wands. Two of Wands with Knight of Pentacles. He's happy watching you from afar. He doesn't want to take action. Why? Because he thinks getting in a relationship with somebody is gonna take away his freedom. Maybe he had his past relationships or whatever. He thinks giving away his freedom will giving away his freedom will not do him any good. Okay, for Hermit, we have King of Pentacles. This person rides his own life. He doesn't like his life to be ridden by anybody else. Again, about the freedom, this person loves his freedom a lot. Too much to be true. Also, this person loves you. Also, this person is aware that if he doesn't have you, someone else will. So he knows that as well. But he is, I can't say confused. He knows he wants you. He knows he wants you, but at the same time, he doesn't want to give his freedom away, right? Since he doesn't want to give his freedom away, he is self-aware that I have to take action. So how does he take action? He will be very slow. He will not show. He will. He will not show what he wants, how he wants. Okay. He will be very patient. He will be very observant. You can see the High Priestess. He will be very observant. He will watch everything carefully, especially considering that if you all get into a relationship or already are in a relationship or taking the relationship further, then it does not harm his freedom or his life. For Temperance, we have Four of Cups. Okay, again, he's watching you afar. There is an opportunity coming, or you are maybe giving an opportunity, or the universe is giving an opportunity for him to claim you. But him or her, okay, if you are a guy and you're watching this reading, then it is that this woman or the girl you love, she is just looking from afar. You are giving the opportunity, even the person, but then the person doesn't want to risk it because maybe they might have like relationship, the older relationship, and in that maybe they had an ex, and in that ex, whatever that relationship happened, they lost their freedom, they lost their self integrity, they lost everything, like who they were, they lost themselves, which is why even though you are the fulfillment for this person is not looking forward open heartedly to come towards you. Okay, so let's go with the Emperor. I may have LGBTQ viewers as well, so for you, you know how does it resonate to you. I don't have to tell you. Okay, so for the Emperor, okay, now if the Emperor, as I said, the person makes mature decisions. So if the Emperor is, again, if you're watching for a girl, for your woman, then again she is very mature. She thinks, she takes everything, every decision, she takes it wisely. Okay, so we have Three of Pentacles. Yeah, especially considering her loved one and a family, her or his. So don't go what I say, her or his, just think about the person. Okay, please. Also, to claim this reading, please like and subscribe to my channel. Also comment if necessary. Please write I claim. The person takes mature decision. Okay, the person is little selfless in terms of family and his loved one. He's little bit selfless. Okay, for the high priestess we have nine of cups. He sees you as the person. Okay, he sees you as the person. Okay, and bottom of this deck I have the tower. Okay, so bottom of this deck, since I have tower, it means even if the person sees you as nine of pentacles, is still scared to end this relationship how it did the last relationship. So basically it's his insecurities, it's nothing much. Okay, let's see how is this person going to, is this person going to take action for you or no. Okay, let's see. i'll keep this I'll keep this cards aside. Okay, let's see this person. Universe, please take your person's mind, think about your person, so that I can channel through his messages, I can get the readings clear. The universe gives me clarity on what is his action. Yes, two of cups, people. My god, I have been getting so much positivity this time, so much. Okay, two of cups, yeah, 10 of wands. He's gonna work hard for you guys. He's gonna work hard so he reaches two of cups for you. He's gonna come towards you. Okay, thank you. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Please press the bell icon so that you get the readings whenever I post. Also, please claim by pressing the thumbs up. Also, comment to claim the readings. Thank you so much.